Eto, isang dayuhan na naman ano, nagpunta sa Pilipinas. First time niya dahil naghahanap nga siya ng kanyang mapupuntahang lugar o bansa. Kaya ang Pilipinas ang kanyang napili. Grabe. Sobrang manghang-mangha siya sa kanyang naramdaman pagpasok niya pa lang sa Pilipinas. Talagang grabe daw yung pag-welcome at yung hospitality ng mga Pilipino. Matindi. Grabe, bilib na bilib siya, manghang-mangha siya sa ugaling Pilipino. Yan ang ating mapapanood ngayon. Please po, ano ba ang inyong masasabi tungkol dito? Panoorin natin ito. Please comment down below kayo, like and subscribe sa ating channel. Ito po ang Wow Philippines. Suportahan niyo po ako bilang isang Filipino vlogger. Ang pagpapanood ninyo na walang skip sa aking ads ay malaking tulong na po yun. Kaya panoorin natin to.
There we are. Yeah, thank you. My second. We're start getting welcome. Thank you. We say salamat po. We say salamat po. Kamusta ka po? Oh, this looks like the jeepney. Amazing. Kamusta ka? Number 5. Okay, salamat. Oh, sorry. Thank you. We have Philippine. You're from Philippines?
Yeah.
What is your name?
My name is Jab.
Jam. We say magandang.
Magandang hapon. It's good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Okay, salamat po. Nice to meet you. Thank
Nice
you so
to
much.
meet you.
Excuse me, sir. I'm looking for a glove company for a phone. Internet. It's outside. Musta ka, kuya? Musta ka? Nice. Is it okay to be on the camera? Okay. Salamat. What is your name?
Melissa.
Malisa. We have Jane. Okay, Jane. She looks very shy. Okay. What is your name? Ben. Ben. We have Ben. It was last time. Musta ka? Musta ka? Okay lang. Yeah. Salamat po. Where is the manager? Where's the manager? That's why she looks serious. I see. And Jay always working hard. I want to thank for a glove company. Thank you. Kumusta ka ka? Atay, salamat atay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye. We are in Manila. Whoa. Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka, kuya? Hello. Filipino Tagalog. Anan man.
Alam niyo kung bakit? Sinusubukan niya ang mga Pilipino dahil vlogger nga siya, no. Dito niya malalaman talaga kung ano ang klase, ang ugali ang meron ang Pilipino, no? Kasi inaano niya sa vlog niya eh. Kaya the most hospitality people in the world ay ang Pilipino talaga. Wala nang iba. Kahit sang sulok ng mundo may Pilipino, grabe ang pagrespeto ng mga Pilipino. Ganun lang talaga yung pag-welcome. Talagang ando na. Tuwang-tuwa siya eh, oh. Yan, oh.
Down in Manila. Okay, so it was good flight. It's Air Asia. Alright. Wow. It's too hot compared to other countries. Japan is too cold. We are in Manila. Magandang.
Oh, grabe ano, naramdaman niya kagad so hot. Ibig sabihin, tropical country talaga ang Pilipinas, ano, kasi sa Japan daw. Galing siya ng Japan eh, no? O taga-Japan ito, no? Nagtagal na yata siya sa Japan. Sino nakakaalam? Yan. Please comment down below kayo. Pero pagpatong niya sa Pilipinas, naramdaman niya kagad yung init ng panahon sa Pilipinas. Alam niyo kung bakit? Napakaganda mag-vlog sa Pilipinas dahil ito yung pagkakataon talaga na walang bagyo, no? Kasi magma-March, no? April medyo maulan-ulan, May, pero ang March malapit na mag-March eh. Yun, mainit-init pa yan talaga. Tingnan natin dito sa mga ano, tingnan natin dito sa ibang mga parte ng kanyang vlog kasi mahaba ito. 43 minutes ito kaya medyo ano, ayan yan. Bumalik siya doon, no? Naghanap siya ng ano.
I found my suitcase.
Ayun,
Welcome to
suitcase.
Papa. Welcome to the Philippines. Let's go. Here we go. All right.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Thank you, Air Asia. Actually, it was a nice flying. It wasn't stressful. It was on time. I had a bad experience with Air Asia before. That doesn't mean it's a perfect airlines. But yeah, always be aware with the Air Asia. I'm sorry, but it's true. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna look for a Grab taxi and we head down to my Airbnb. So I'm gonna look for a Grab. Maybe Grab is better. I don't know what Filipino takes. Let me know in the commentary. So I think I'm gonna get the Grab. Much cheaper. After that, I'm gonna show him the Airbnb. So my Airbnb is in Makati, which is a perfect area for.
Alam yung kaibahan kasi ng Grab at saka yung taxi, iba eh. Yung taxi kasi meron yang ano no, kung saang parte ka pupunta, medyo mahal, no. Kasi nga meron silang mga pamasahe talaga diyan sa mga taxi, no, na sinisingil. Pero pag Grab ka, halimbawa diyan ka galing sa airport, papunta ka dun sa pupuntahan mo BGC, halimbawa sa mga malalayong lugar, pagtingin mo dun sa Grab mo, meron ka agad na price kung magkano, no? Hindi katulad sa taxi na sila yung nagre-rate sa'yo, minsan kasi nag-overpricing, no? Hindi sa pag-aano ganun kasi yung mga sinasabi dito sa vlog, no, na pag taxi kasi daw, minsan nag-overpricing. Pero pag Grab kasi, nandun na kasi yun sa, nakabook na yung price sa Grab, no? Parang
area for me this time. Last time I've stayed in BGC was really good. But this time I'm gonna try to to have separate stay maybe. So I will stay a few days in Makati, and after that I will move to BGC. This is my plan. But let's see. If I like Makati, maybe.
ano, dito tayo sa medyo matao kasi marami talaga dito. Ito pa yung pagpunta niya sa Globe, no? Tingnan natin doon sa ibang parte. Kasi papunta siya, yung nakipag-usap siya sa driver kasi mahaba-haba ito. 49 minutes. Ayan, yan. Dito. Nakipagkwentuhan
So
siya sa
impressed.
driver.
Okay, so my first impression of Philippines is it's incredible.
Incredible.
It's amazing. But the only thing, just the airport, traffic is so hard to get the taxi. And this is I think this is the main problem in Philippines. Only the airport.
Yes, sir.
Maybe location is not good. Yeah. Do you have a family, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have any children?
One, sir.
One, sir. One boy, girl?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
5 years old.
5 years.
Oh,
Okay. It looks a bit rainy. Whoa. Looks a little bit rainy.
Where from, sir?
I'm from Tokyo, Japan, but my family from Morocco. Yeah, originally from Morocco. Yeah. But I work in Japan, so I just come do videos. My second time in Philippines.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'm excited. What's your food recommendation, Ricardo?
McDonald's, sir.
I came to Philippines to try McDonald's. No way. Chicken adobo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Halo.
Halo.
Filipino food.
Nagre-research ito. Nagre-research ito.
Salamat po. Thank you. Thank you, Ricardo.
Ganda lang
Okay. Looks like we arrived to our destination.
Magalang, no?
Alright. Salamat. Okay. Salamat. Alright. Hello, kumusta ka? I have a chicken.
Alam mo, magkakilala sila, no?
All good? Yes. Passport. Oh, nice. Nice area. Okay. The area looks like very nice. Okay, salamat. Sign here. Okay. There you go. It's okay? Passport okay? Alright. Thank you. Which floor should I go?
1437.
Okay, 1437. Okay. The 14th floor. Okay, yeah, 37. And I think I need to open by password. Okay, I have to check. The residency looks really nice. Look at the music, jazz. I think it's jazz blues. It looks amazing, so relaxing. Here we are. So luxury here. All right, so we think our elevator just arrived. Okay. Let's go to 14. Okay, inside the Airbnb. Okay, let's log in. Oh, it looks nice. Flashlight. Let's make a little tour here. Looks like I have a small kitchen here next to the exit door. Shelf. Have some coffees, tea bags, napkin. We have a rice cooker, like a roaster. We have a kettle for water, boiling water. We have microwave. And the most important thing in Manila, which is a refrigerator. Airbnb. It looks nice. Airbnb actually. Bedroom. It looks nice, chill, workspace. So you can use laptop here. And the most important thing, which is, whoa, it looks like I have a sunset here. I have a sunset view. Oh, amazing. It's a bit rainy, but this is the view from Makati. And we have closet, which is nice. Oh, we have some LED light, which is amazing too. And okay, LED light here. Whoa.
Diba, tingnan nyo yung mga foreigner pagdating, talagang binubusisi talaga nila yung mga hotels na pinupuntahan nila, no, yung mga rooms na pinupuntahan nila. Kasi ang mga yan kasi sanay sa ano yan, sa mga magagarang lugar. Hindi sila sanay doon sa mga katulad nating mga Pilipino na kahit saan lang matulog pwede tayo diyan. Pero itong mga foreigner kasi nasanay yan sa mga magagarang lugar o magagarang mga gamit, no. Kaya hinahanap kagad nila yung mga kung anong komportable sila, no. Marami talagang foreigner na ganyan mga ugali, no. Pero hindi naman siguro lahat. Marami lang, no. Kaya ang masasabi ko talaga dito, talagang ano sila, mga mitikuloso sila eh. Nahanap nila talaga yung komportable, yung maganda, yung ganyan-ganyan. Eh syempre, magbabayad ka ng mahal, di ba? Pero bilib ako sa kanila dahil daw sa Pilipinas, ang mga hotels daw dito ay mura pa. Ano muna, sabihin na natin na mas mahal dun sa lugar nila, no? Talagang i-compare natin, mas mura pa rin talaga sa atin. Kasi magbabayad sila ng, halimbawa, 100 pesos, dun sa mga lugar nila na napupuntahan ay 300 pesos na yan. Tatlo o dalawa ang patong, di ba? Kaya tignan pa natin dito kasi habang nandyan siya sa kanyang hotel, ano pa ba ang mga nangyayari sa buhay niya nung pumunta siya sa dito sa ano paglabas niya, no? Yan. Yan natin.
We're exploring Makati night. It's crazy. Looks so crowded. And the traffic jam is insane crazy. Yeah. It seemed like in I've been once to Jakarta. It was same situation actually. The traffic light. If you take like a Grab taxi, man, it's really hard. Whoa. What's going on? Hello, kumusta ka? Alright. Oh, it's like a doctor. I don't know which is this is a cafe. I don't know. Yeah, let's explore. I have no idea when I'm going. Just exploring night in Makati. First day. My first impression arriving in Manila. Back to Manila. Here we are. Oh, we have a Lawson here. Bruno, what is that? Lawson. I didn't know that Lawson is in Philippines. This is the first time actually. Look at the counting traffic light. It's amazing. It looks so big. It's like no way. All right. This is like a barber. Oh, this is a barber actually. You can cut your hair. All right. Maybe I can get I got a haircut recently, so I don't think I need to get a haircut.
Hangang mga talaga siya, makikita mo talaga sa mga ano niya, sa kanyang mga lahat, no? Lahat talaga tinitignan niya. Ito. Tingnan natin 'to, no? Kung ano nangyari dito. Yan.
Elon, wow. Okay. Okay, Elon, salamat po. Wow, the Spanish latte. Yeah. Okay. Looks really Mazara. Wow, look at the decoration. Wow, you did this by yourself every day. Jam. Ah, okay. So Jam, she did that. You're a designer. Wow. Okay, let's give it a try, guys. Okay, Spanish latte in Manila, Philippines. First night.
Talagang ine-explore niya lahat. Ayan, tapos na pala, no? Pero, syempre, magpapasalamat pa rin tayo sa mga manonood natin bago tayo magtapos. Please comment down below kayo, like and subscribe. Dahil nga mga foreigners, napakadami na nila dito. At, ewan ko ba kung bakit, sa dami-dami ng mga pupuntahan nila, ang isa sa buong mundo, ang Pilipinas, na gusto nila talagang puntahan, no? Ano kayang meron magic ang Pilipinas, no? Sa tingin nyo, comment down below nga kayo kung bakit talagang napakaliit naman ng Pilipinas ay talagang nasusurprise sila. Yan ang ating ano dito, no, masasabi dito, no, surprise ang lagi nilang nararamdaman. Comment down below kayo, like and subscribe sa ating channel. Ito po ang Wow Philippines.